5-27. To ride to school, Elaine takes 7 minutes to ride 18 blocks. What is her unit rate or blocks per minute? Assuming she rides at a constant speed, how long should it take her to go 50 blocks? Justify your answer. So this is really two questions, and we're going to do this question first. We're going to look at what her unit rate is. So to ride to school, Elaine takes 7 minutes to ride 18 blocks. What is her unit rate or blocks per minute? Okay, so this is what we're looking for, blocks per minute. So if we line up the information we know that she's going to ride 18 blocks in 7 minutes. All right, so we want to find out how many blocks she can ride in 1 minute, because a unit rate is always over just 1 unit. Okay, so the easiest way to find out how many blocks you can ride in 1 minute is just to take this 18 blocks and divide it by 7. So we will do that right now. Okay, so on the calculator, we will take 18 divided by 7, and we get 2.57. So 2.57, and we know these are blocks. Okay, so this is our unit rate. Now we're looking for the second thing, which is assuming she rides at a constant speed, how long should it take her to go 50 blocks? All right, so the information we have is we know that she can go 18 blocks in 7 minutes. And so if we're trying to find an equivalent ratio of her going 50 blocks, we would set it up like this, a proportion. And here's our unknown. We don't know how many minutes it's going to take. So now we've set up a proportion. These are equivalent ratios. 18 blocks to 7 minutes will be the same as 50 blocks to however many minutes this is. Okay, so now we can use our proportion solving skills, which I'm going to use cross multiplication to do this. So 18 times x is just 18x. And then 7 times 50 will be 7 times 50. All right, so we're trying to get the x by itself, and because x is being multiplied by 18, we will undo that relationship by dividing the whole thing by 18. And once we've, and we have to do that on the other side too. Okay, and then once on this side, we've got 18 over 18, which is really equal to 1, and 1 times x is just plain x. And over on this side, well, we could multiply 7 times 50 and then divide 18 into it, but those are big numbers. So I think I'm going to do a little canceling. 2 goes into 18 9 times, and 2 goes into 50 25 times. These are smaller numbers, so 7 times 25 is going to be 175, and that's going to be divided by 9. Okay, so to find x, all we have to do is just divide 9 into 175. So 9 will go into 17 once, and there will be 8 left over, so that'll be 85. 9 goes into 85 9 times with 4 left over, so 4/9. So that's almost a half. So we could say about 19 and a half, and our x is in minutes. Okay, so it will take her about 19 and a half minutes to go 50 blocks.